Recently, Iran revealed the first clear images and video of their new aircraft carrier, the IRGC Shahed Bagi. But here's the kicker: this isn't your typical high-budget warship. Iran took a commercial container ship, the Perrin, and transformed it into a carrier on a surprisingly low budget. This move is not only cost-effective, but also strategic, allowing the Revolutionary Guard Corps to step up their drone game in forward missions. This isn't just any ordinary carrier. The Shahed Bagi is a true symbol of ingenuity, designed to enhance the Revolutionary Guard Corps' ability to deploy drones for forward missions. With a displacement of 36,000 tons and stretching 240 meters long with a 27-meter beam, this ship is a sight to behold. But the story behind its creation, that's where things get interesting. Iran managed to pull this off on a tight budget by converting a commercial container ship, the Perrin, into a fully functional aircraft carrier. This conversion includes an angled flight deck and a ski-jump launch system, like those seen on Russian Kuznetsov-class and British Queen Elizabeth-class carriers. It can hit a speed of 33 kilometers per hour and has an impressive range of 33,000 kilometers, making it quite the addition to Iran's naval forces. The Shahed Bagi can carry up to 50 crew members and is equipped with high-tech features like 3D phased array radar and an electronic warfare EW suite. On top of that, its arsenal includes Nawab air defense missiles, anti-aircraft gun systems, Qadr 474 cruise missiles, and Zulfikar anti-ship ballistic missiles. It's not just about firepower, though. This carrier is also designed to handle various types of helicopters, like the Mi-17 and Bell 412, along with a variety of drones. On the deck, it has a helicopter landing facility and can even launch Zulfikar submersible torpedo boats for fast attack missions. But Iran's innovation doesn't stop with just one ship. Another container ship is set to be converted into a drone operating platform, to be named Shahed Bagi. These conversions, while cost-effective, do come with limitations. Converted carriers don't have the resilience of purpose-built ones and may struggle in heavy combat, especially without modern surface combat ships like destroyers or frigates to protect them. However, for drone operations, these ships are more than capable. And Iran's drones? They're no joke. Some of these stealth drones have already proven their worth in combat, like in 2018, when a Sajil stealth drone entered Israeli airspace and dodged multiple shoot-down attempts by Israeli Patriot defense systems. Now imagine these drones being launched from a carrier like the Shahed Bagi, striking targets from unexpected directions with incredible range. While Iran's lack of modern destroyers and surface ships may leave its carrier fleet vulnerable to air and missile strikes from more advanced adversaries, these new carriers are still a major step forward in power projection. They could play a significant role in supporting friendly governments in the region, like Syria and Sudan, to counter Western, Turkish, or Israeli-backed insurgent groups. They could even participate in joint exercises with local navies or air fleets. Iran's stealth drones have already been used to supply forces from the air, and with these carriers, those options expand even further. There's also a possibility that the Shahed Bagi and Shahed Bagi aren't just operational assets, but also platforms for Iran's military to gain experience with fixed-wing carrier operations. As the country's shipbuilding industry matures, this experience could pave the way for purpose-built aircraft carriers in the future. In the meantime, these converted carriers mark a significant leap for Iran's naval capabilities. Whether this move will shift the balance of power in the region is still up for debate, but one thing's clear: Iran's entry into the carrier game is making waves. And that's all for today. If you found this video interesting, make sure to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future updates. We'll see you next time.